This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your OS version and that widgets are supported because compatibility prevents wasted steps. Open the widget store or the system settings pane now. This is where installations occur. Select the category you need, clock, newsfeed, or utility, and preview options. Once done, click Add or Install to place a placeholder on your desktop or panel. Make sure to note any permissions requested so you can adjust them later for proper function. You'll drag the newly added widget to its desired desktop or taskbar position so it's accessible when you work. Then you must resize and set the update interval. Shorter intervals give fresher data, but use more CPU and battery, which matters on laptops. Customize content by choosing sources or widgets modules, and link accounts if login is required so personalized data appears. Once configured, test interactions like clicking buttons or opening detailed views to confirm the widget behaves as expected. You finish by locking the layout or saving the workspace so widget placement persists across restarts. This avoids accidental moves. If a widget freezes or shows stale data, restart the widget process or the host app first, because that resolves most cache or thread issues. If problems persist, check permissions, reinstall the widget, and inspect system logs to find errors. One key tip: test with a different widget of the same type to determine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.